Good day everyone, I am Mr. Vin at your service and welcome to Let's Figure Out Pythagoras. Introduction to Pythagorean Ideas. Pythagoras was about a person and a society, or simply the Pythagoreans. He was also a political figure and a mystic. He was special in his time because, among other reasons, he involved women as equals in his activity. One critic characterized the man as 1/10 of him genius, 9/10 sheer fudge. Pythagoras died, according to legend, in the flames of his own school, fired by political and religious bigots who stirred up the masses to protest against the enlightenment which Pythagoras sought to bring them. As with many figures from ancient times, there is little specific that we know about Pythagoras' life. We know a little about his idea and his school, and we sketch some of these here. The Pythagorean society was intensely mathematical in nature, but it was also quasi-religious. Among its tenets were to abstain from beans, not to pick up what has fallen, not to touch a white cock, not to break bread, not to break bread, not to step over a crossbar, not to stir the fire with iron, not to eat from a whole loaf, not to pluck a garland, not to sit on a quart measure, not to eat the heart, not to walk on highways, not to let swallows share one's roof. When the pot is taken off the fire, not to leave the mark of it in the ashes, but to stir them together. Not to look in a mirror beside a light. When you rise from the bedclothes, roll them together and smooth out the empress of the body. The Pythagoreans embodied a passionate spirit that is remarkable to our eyes. Bless us, divine number, though we generates gods and men. Number rules the universe.